For inspection processes, hands-free operations are the key. With the help of smart glasses and our XInspect solution, port workers are guided through container inspections, simply step by step. Start work. Scan task. Continue. Continue. Yes. Dangerous. Call port operator. Port forward. The port operator confirms that there are no dangerous goods in the container. After the terminal worker has logged in, identified the container, and confirmed the status of the contents with the port operator, he opens it for visual inspection of the inside. Throughout the whole process, XInspect provides hands-free and visual instructions, on-site documentation, as well as instant connection to the port operator at any time. Take picture.